How to make okonomiyaki. Pour some oil in a frying pan or hot plate. Mix ingredients in okonomiyaki batter together really well. Pour the okonomiyaki batter into a round pancake shape on the frying pan while extending the dough. Try not to make it too thin or it won't be fluffy at all. Turn over once the color turns golden brown on the bottom. Wait until the color turns golden brown on the other side too. Flip over once more and it's finished. Brush the top with okonomiyaki sauce and add some toppings if you like. Put some okonomiyaki sauce, cut it into small pieces, sprinkle with bonito flakes, drizzles with mayonnaise, then sprinkle with aonori seaweed, and serve it on your plate. Time to eat!